In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon desktop shortcut on your Windows PC, making it even easier to access your favorite online shopping destination. Whether you're a frequent Amazon user or just want the convenience of one-click access, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to open your preferred web browser on your Windows PC and navigate over to Amazon.com. Simply type the URL into the address bar and press enter. Once the homepage loads up, you'll notice a sign in button situated at the top right corner of the website. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and click continue to proceed. Shortly after, you'll be asked to enter your password. Fill in your credentials and click sign in. This will grant you access to your Amazon account, taking you back to the homepage but now logged in. Once you're back on the Amazon homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots. This is typically the menu button in most browsers such as Chrome. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for options like cast, save, or share. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your browser. Focus on more tools from the drop-down options, and when you hover over it, you'll see create shortcut. This is the key step in the process. Click on Create Shortcut, and a small window will pop up asking for confirmation to create the shortcut. In this pop-up, you'll see the URL or link you're about to create a shortcut for. Make sure this is correct, and then proceed by clicking on Create. This finalizes the shortcut creation process. Now head back to your desktop, and you'll see the Amazon icon displayed there. This new shortcut allows you to access Amazon directly without needing to type the URL or navigate through your browser's bookmarks. Just a double click and you're instantly launched into the Amazon website. This method is a great way to streamline how you access Amazon, making your daily online shopping routine just that little bit smoother. Using shortcuts is a fantastic way to keep your digital environment organized and efficient. Plus, it's perfect for those who like keeping all of their most used applications and websites only a click away. I hope this guide was easy to follow and helps you get the most out of your Amazon experience on your Windows PC. Stick around for more helpful tips just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.